never get away with this, you stupid toolbox!
Move it!
Hey, what's the deal? He's getting away! Faster, May, faster!
Trying, but you're a bit heavy-headed. Now get me to the other side.
Let those tools go! Toolbox is crazy!
Yeah, next time I'll find a smaller one.
No kidding! This looks bad! Ha! Taste my steel, toolbox! That's gotta hurt!
got this, Toolbox?
We're long past negotiating, Cody. Hit the spray can! Good on there, Cody.
To you? Quit it!
I think I'm gonna be sick!
Hey! Who's that? Hey, get me back up there! Hey, look at them!
Oh, wow.
Yes, I'm ready. I'm so ready for this. Ooh, it tickles. It tickles. Ha! Yeah. There you go. Thank you. Woohoo! I feel brand new! Look at me! I'm whole! I'm whole! You saved us from that rust and toolbox! Thank you, May. You are a true hero!
Oh, thank you, Hammer.
Hey, what about me? Huh? I was part of this too. Where's my hero love? Did you see that explosion?
Anyway, we still have to get to Rose.
Oh, of course, of course! Sebastian, can you help him out? They have to get to the other side.
What?
Whoa.
Wow.
Flexible.
Step on board.
Really?
Okay, you sure?
Come on, it's safe.
Okay. Ooh.
This doesn't feel safe. I'm not sure.
Just relax.
Okay.
Don't worry, he's very precise. Sebastian, sling it!
Oh no! She's leaving!
Rose, wait! We need your help!
It's us! Mom and Dad! Don't close the door!
No, 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 no! Help us out!
Oh.
Rose! Oh, you stupid book!
Oh, you've locked us in, you idiots!
Now we're stuck in here!
Stuckness is a mental construct. If you stare at the closed door, you will miss the one that's open.
Okay, FYI, there is only one door in this shed.
And one window.
Good thinking, May! Whoa! Let's go to the window. Whoa!
Book is out of his mind, okay?
Check out my moves, May!
Yeah, very cool, but just don't fall off!
Ah, don't worry. I'm pretty good at this.
Me too! Woohoo! Focus! Here it comes!
May, look, it's your old binoculars.
Amazing! Let's find Rose!
Rose?
Yeah, we need to find her.
Oh, yes, I know we look like dolls, but we're actually her parents.
I know who you are. Nothing escapes my lenses. Look.
What, in here? All right, okay. Let's see, Oh, I look dead. Am I dead?
You're not dead.
What's going on? Oh, no. What's the matter with us?
All I know is that Rose sat down there with her dolls, and then you two came alive.
Just like that? You didn't see anything else?
Well, there was one unusual thing.
Why? What happened?
She was crying.
Oh.
I know, quite unusual for Rose, but I am 100% sure because I could see her tears falling onto the dolls.
Tears were falling onto the dolls. Oh, wait a minute. I know what happened. It's a spell!
Oh, don't be ridiculous, Cody. We've got to apply logic.
May, okay? We are having a conversation with a pair of binoculars. There is no logic in that.
For goodness sake, I don't even believe in spells.
Okay, well, did you believe that you could be turned into a wooden doll? Huh? Exactly. It had to be the tears. It was a spell, I am telling you.
So, if it is a spell, how do we break it?
Okay, I got this. Yeah, me and Rose, we read all about this spell stuff. I'm a virtual wizard right now, okay? Just give me some space, I need to think. Okay, so if the spell was cast through her tears, then in order to break it, oh. In order to break it, we have to reverse it through her tears. Boom!
Right.
Okay, we basically have to find her and make her cry on us again.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Do you know where to find her, Miss Binoculars?
She's in her room. Go on.
Okay, thanks. Come on, May.
Oh, but how do we get to her room from here?
Easy, we just climbed the tree.
This way.
What? You're never gonna make that jump.
Yeah? Watch me. Oh! Oh! God damn it!
Coming through the birds! Whoa! Come on over!
Well, throw us the rope! It's too far!
Cody, where there is love, no distance is too far!
Oh, shut up and just throw us the rope.
Okay, May, relax. Come on, huh? You want the rope? You want the rope? Come on, you want it? You want it? Come on, take it! Woo! Woo!
All right, let's swing across.
Yeah, but whoa, that tree is huge!
Don't worry about it. The ropes will take us to Rose in an instant.
Again? Ah, I told Rose not to throw her shoes up here.
Oops. I told her I did that when I was a kid.
So you're the guilty one.
She's outgrown them anyway. Here we go. Did you build a treehouse for Rose?
No? Why do you ask?
There are windows.
Oh. Who could have built those? There's our swing.
Finally, are you...
I don't see a way to get to Rose's room yet.
Let's get higher. Woo! Weird but useful.
Woohoo! Bouncy! I'm a superhero with a rope!
You're a clayman with a rope.
Yeah, beware the Clayman!
Is that our pot lid?
What's it doing up here?
Looks like a pulley controls it. Cody, grab on. Hey, look, Cody, a door.
A door in a tree? I don't like it. We gotta get to Rose's room.
But can't you see how far away it is?
Yes, I can see how far away it is. That's why we gotta keep moving.
Yeah, maybe there's someone inside who can help us.
Really? Whoa, wait, what are you doing? We don't know what's inside there.
Come on, it might be a shortcut to the house.
Yeah, but what if it's not? What if it's...
Who sent you?
No one. We come in peace.
We're trying to get to the house.
The house? What's your business there?
We haven't got time for this. Is this a shortcut or not?
Great.
Oh, I told you this was a bad idea.
Not helpful. Come on, help me push. It's too heavy.
Why the glass jar?
Well, at least we can see through it.
Oh, that's great, May. We're imprisoned, but the view is amazing.
Dad? Dad, I have to tell you something. It's important. Have you heard of this book by, Dr. Hakim? He says that it's important to forgive each other. Because then you can become friends again. If you want, you can borrow the book. Okay. You're busy. Sorry.
Cody, are you okay?
Yeah, been better, but I'm okay.
Are you working for the Wasps?
What? The wasps?
Don't play dumb. Did they send you here to kill us?
What? Kill you? No.
We're not working for any wasps.
We'll see whose side you're on. Pull a switch.
You got it, Chief.
Oh, get away, get away!
Boss, it doesn't look like they're on the Wasps team.
And why don't they die?
Maybe they have superpowers. What if they can help us?
Let's find out. Abort.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah, you?
Yeah, just about.
That was terrible.
Horrendous.
May?
Oh,
Come here.
oh,
Hey!
oh my gosh.
Hey there, Mr. Big Squirrel.
So, you want to get to the house?
Yes.
We can get you there.
Really? You... That's very, kind.
On one condition.
What do you mean?
Follow me.
May,
Come on.
this is a terrible idea.
Come on, Cody.
I don't want to go.
Wow, they must be real hoarders.
Hey, mate, that's our remote control. They stole it.
Those sneaky rodents. Look, our family photos. What could they want with those?
I don't know. Oh, we look good. Hey, that's my underwear.
Hardly a loss.
You used to love that underwear.
Used to.
The Wasps have invaded our tree and wiped out most of our tribe. You two must kill them.
What? We can't kill those crazy creatures. You nuts? No offense.
Don't worry. You'll just survive 2 of them.
Against a whole swarm of them, surely we'll die.
That's why you're going to need these. My latest in cyber hazelnut technology. The tree sap Abshiki 57.
Oh.
Combined with a drill bazzer X200. Boom.
There's one more thing. We sent in an undercover agent who could operate our queen robot.
As planned, the Wasps believed the robot was their real queen. But instead of wiping out the Wasps, our agent was seduced by its power and switched sides.
So, kill the Wasps and the agent in the robot, and we'll help you get to the house. Understood?
Yeah, sure, but isn't there a more civilized way that we can... Whoa! I really don't want to have to kill giant wasps.
Well, you wouldn't have to if you'd cleaned out the hive.
What? What hive?
Remember? In the real world? In our tree? I asked you so many times and you promised to get rid of it.
Yeah, fine. But we wouldn't even be here if you hadn't knocked on the squirrel's door.
Well, at least they're gonna lead us to the house.
What, are you kidding me? You believe that? I don't trust those squirrels. They stole my underwear.
Oh, believe me, that was a blessing.
Oh, really? Well, at least my underwear is now a sophisticated part of a flying machine.
Oh, I sincerely doubt it can fly.
Of course you do! Ugh. You know what? I can't wait to get back to my real body so that we can get divorced.
Oh, me too.
May? May, what now?
I guess it's time to kill some wasps.
What? Alone?
Don't worry, we've got weapons.
You mean these homemade squirrel DIY drill bazzer top shaky things?
You saw how powerful they are. Let's drill, Baz. A target.
What's that hanging there?
Down we go.
What you're listening to is another one of my latest hazelnut tech creations. You'll find them at key strategic points throughout the tree. The tree sap Dikey and drill bazzer match gun are potent alone, but when combined, they are a
Those squirrels weren't kidding.
This is a war zone.
I think it's a shooting range. Let's try it out.
Wow, this is impressive.
I'm getting spooky vibes from this place. Okay, can we please turn back?
I'm afraid that won't be possible. The doors behind you to protect against the wasp. Your only way out is through the wasp's lair over there, on the other side of the abyss.
This one's ready! Nice! Progress!
Darn, the sap isn't sticking!
Looks like squirrel tech isn't foolproof. Well, this got interesting.
They're experimenting on an acorn. They really are nuts.
Look at those Tesla coils. These squirrels seem far more capable than I thought.
I see you happened upon my old facility. There's really nothing. Just move along. Those barbaric wasps could never understand the potential of hazelnut technology. Oh, and you can just ignore what's behind that wall coming up. Move right along, please. Do not push the road.
Hey, I wonder what these buttons do. Oops, wrong button. Nice moves, May! Yeah, should have expected this from squirrels.
I'm getting tired of this, Cody. I am not gonna let you forget that one.
Lighten up, you look fine. Kinda.
Ah, I see you found our nuts bath and sauna machine. Patent pending, of course. We haven't worked out all the...
Huh? This lid doesn't look so stable.
something was kept in here.
Yeah, something big. Whatever it was, it's gone now.
Down we go.
Something's coming!
Killer wasps!
Oh, give me a match here.
Ooh, we got one!
This one's south. Give me a match here.
I think that's the last of them.
Against the wall, but prepare for more.
Oh, right! I can zap that!
Fire it up,
May?
Hey, May. I think there's a bridge here.
Let's knock it down then! Interesting mechanic. Looks like some type of tug of war. Ready to fall into the hole?
Oh, that hole is made for you.
Fits you better. I pull the strings. Down the drain, Cody.
May!
This rope's mine!
Bye-bye! Oh, you're going down!
Alrighty!
Yes! Yes! I pulled it off!
No fair! I'm barefoot! Your shoes have better grip! Hey! It's our football!
And you thought I threw it out?
Yeah, sorry about that. Rose and I used to play with it all the time.
Just another thing the squirrels have taken from us.
My legs hurt.
My feet hurt.
When we get out of this mess, I'm having a cold beer.
I'm having two.
What if we're stuck here? Stuck like this.
You don't know that. We'll get to Rose and break the spell.
No. What if we never get to her?
Please stop talking and keep running. We've got obstacles ahead. This tree is incredible! transporting?
Where do these tracks even go? Oh! When are these trails gonna end? No! Please end soon!
Ah, the bolt. Spin the handle to open it, but be on your guard. We've never made it past this point. Once inside, you will be on your own. May the acorn be with you.
Where'd you go?
This one's south!
Ooh!
Your little crusade ends here, intruders!
This one looks tougher than the others.
Oh, my sap isn't sticking to its shield!
You will not pass! On the queen! My shield will not shatter! You must be destroyed here! Impudence! Where is your honor? Your filthy little feet are not welcome here!
Did we get it?
Yeah, looks like it. Let's get through that vault.